Morning, each and everyone. Today, I am going to say few words about the duties of a student. Just like the parents have many responsibilities, just like the parents have great expectations from their children, just then, similarly, the country has the country expects a lot from a student. They are its identity. The A student is the future face of the country, and there is a great responsibility on the shoulders of the students. The students should understand this fact from the beginning. We shall discuss some of the important duties of a student. The first duty of a student is to give full time to his study. He should not quit his education in between. He should not get, he should not follow, he should not go behind the to obtain marks to get knowledge also. The proper knowledge can give the student a desired results. Another duties of a student to learn moral values. He has to learn moral values like the honesty, discipline, truthfulness, and respect for others, etc. etc. Another duty of a student is to give the proper time to his study. He should respect his constitution and its law and order. He should represent the country, he should represent his country where he goes. He should understand that he is the future of the country. He should not be bookworm only. He should give some time to the social services also. He should spread awareness in society about the illiteracy, undisciplined, etc. etc. He should fight against the some social evils like the child marriage, child labor, dowry system, etc. etc. He should raise his voice against the any wrong and every wrong act and evidence. If a student follows all his duties honestly, he can be an asset of his country. If a student does his duty very honestly, he can make the progress, he can make the country on the path of progress. He should be to take the responsibilities of his soldiers. He should be ready to take the responsibility of the nation. An ideal student can make the country an ideal nation. This is the duties of a student. Thank you. Have a nice day and be